Hey there, friends. Thanks so much for joining me today. We've got a reindeer to share with you. So I have my brown split here that I made myself. It's brown, a slim line of wolf black, and white is on the other end. Here I'm using a 1/4 wash brush. And we're just going to create this shape. So I'm thinking, I'm thinking about the unicorn head shape that we always do, but I'm creating the reindeer. So the reindeer is going to be a little more lean. So the shapes are going to be, definitely more lean than my unicorn. So this design was actually inspired by Leah Selly's YouTube channel. I really love watching her stencil creations. She made a reindeer just using stencils, but I really love how beautiful it looked. So I figure, let's give it a shot and try it by hand. And I really like the way this came out. So I'm sharing it with you guys today. So now I have my Loew Cornell round number 3 loaded with Mehron yellow, but it's a liquid. And then I dipped it in orange a little bit I thought it would darken it, but it kind of didn't. So I'm just going to let it dry and then reapply later. Now we're going to add Mehron edge right here for the tip of the nose. I'm doing a small nose because I want my reindeer to look more elegant. And then here we're going to go ahead and do I'm not sure if it's a harness, or a collar. I'm not sure. You guys comment, let me know what you think. I don't know if it's a harness or a collar. But we're going to paint it red. And then this is what holds the bells. So we're going to paint bells on here eventually. Alrighty, now that we have that, we have our own Loew Cornell number 3 brush with wolf black. I'm going to outline the back neck, the ear. And I'm just going to let the antlers do its job and sit right up there. I'm not going to outline them. I really like how they look just bright yellow. Go ahead and outline the neck. All right, now we're going to outline the harness or the collar. And then we'll create the eye here. So I always give it eyelashes, and boys ask for the reindeer too, even though there's eyelashes. They seem to really like it anyway. Now we're going to create the undershadow of the bells. And you can see I did add white to the eye. It was my mistake. I should have colored it black. Here loading our Mehron yellow. Get a really, really good creamy load, and you can do an instant dot, so it looks very, very bright. Go ahead and just outline that antler again. And I feel like this reindeer is faster because I didn't outline the antlers. I think it looks fine. All right, so we'll go ahead and re-moisten that red nose. Dip our brush into the Mehron red glitter and apply it to the nose. I like this way because you just have the nose sparkly, not the entire piece. Looks good. There we go. Oh, I love this shade of red. It's so beautiful. So now I have white loaded, and we're just going to add 2 dots, and the eye's finished. You can use American Body Art Pixie paint. This is from them. It's a Christmas edition. It dried out last year, so I just put it in this container and re-moistened with water. Here I loaded my round number 3 brush with white and then dipped it into the teal. Kind of like if I was going to do a double dip flower, but I just wanted this like really light baby blue color instead of white. So I'll just create some line work here, just to have this reindeer look a little more Christmassy and complete. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I really love bringing you definitely more and more videos. So if you get a chance, please do me the favor, like, subscribe, comment. All of that helps me to bring you more video content. Alrighty guys, so we'll add some dots here. There we go. Add some more all around, just wherever you see fit. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week with a new one.